drive from the left side over here. It does not change with the revs. I can open the okay. But the noise doesn't change. Now, it's been less than 2 minutes since I stopped the engine and restarted, and the noise is gone. As you can see, the noise is gone. So fucking hell. If I push the car again, the noise comes back. So I restarted the car was stopped for 2 minutes as I went to the store and bought some water, and now the car is fine, the noise is gone, which makes me think it's something pressure wise, meaning a vacuum that it's forming, and when I turn the car off it's all gone. When I restart the car, the noise is gone, so I don't know. I just pushed the car very hard, you heard the noise. Well, let's see what we can find out. Thank you very much.